The constant term in the first one is this same A again times the products in the first one. This is a polynomial of degree 2. In the polynomial of degree 3, similar, but just change in sign. In degree 4, it's similar, change of sign again. So when we have square, it is positive. When we have 4, it is positive. Similarly, when you had 6, it will be positive. Remember, I said there is a pattern alternating here. I mentioned this is positive, negative, positive. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So we can see the generalization that whenever you have degree that is an even number, you will always get a positive as the constant term. So anytime you have an alternating sequence or series, the n term always include negative 1 to power n or negative 1 to power n plus 1, depending on the situation. If I use negative 1 to power n plus 1, look, for my first term will be what? Positive. Do you agree? But if I use this, my first term will be negative. So it depends on the sequence. So when you have an alternating sequence, this is a term that will be included in your n term. We will talk about that in sequence later in calculus. All right? Just to give you a heads up. So that is the reason we will say that our constant term is actually minus 1 to power n. We will check if that is right. A times the product of roots. And the constant term is supposed to be what? In generalized form, A0. Do you agree with me? So let's check. When you have a square, a polynomial of degree 2, this is positive. And this is also positive. So yes, this is what we want. There is no need to put plus 1 here. Do you understand that? So if that is the case, then we can divide both sides by all this and take that away. The purpose of this is to have a negative. So it doesn't matter. Don't try to divide and try to do maybe minus 1 to the power n minus 1. You don't need all that. Do you understand my point? So just write products of roots is negative 1 to the power n, a to the power 0, a to the power n. Remember, this a is a to the power n. Okay? This a is a to the power n. So these two is the main reason for the investigation. We call them in general, some people call them sum and product theorem. In Olympiad context, they go by the name Vieta's formula. Okay, that's why in my comment I said equation asterisk and double asterisk are known as Vieta's formula. Okay? And this is the basis of what I want us to look at. So always remember sum and product. Any questions? So let's look at our textbook. I'm just going to go through 1 or 2 examples without writing on the board because I have something planned for us. Let's look at our textbook quickly. Open to the page. Quickly, Lydia. Open. What was the last page? Yes, just go forward, go forward. Tell everybody the page when you get there. Go to the next page. 132, please. Are you there yet? Page 132. Page 132, everybody. Are you there yet? Yes. So you can see, for the first one, we can always find the sum and product, right? Yes? Can find the sum and product. Look at the number 2. A cubic polynomial has these zeros. Leading coefficient is that. Find the sum and product. That's easy. Just use the Vieta's formula. Do we need to apply it now? Or you guys can apply it on your own? On your own? Is it okay? Everybody's okay to apply it on their own? Alright? And so the area that is more applicable is on page 133. So I need you to try as much as possible all those questions on your own. Alright? Okay, now, there is a surprise today. when COVID-19 started, did anybody get an invitation that it was going to start? Did anybody get an invitation that there will be COVID-19 in 2020? Nobody knew, right? Listen, don't think too much about what I'm about to tell you. When COVID-19 started, were you aware that next year there will be COVID-19? It just happened, right? This is what happened in real life. And as a result, once in a while, I'll be coming to class with a prepared test, unannounced. However, those tests will not be part of your grade. Those tests will be a kind of a medium to check you. Should school close down today and you resume back after Zoom lesson, you resume back May of 2021, and IB says, sorry guys, we have to write our exam because we paid for it. And you, of course, we need your money to issue your diploma. And university insists you still need diploma. The only thing is, if we are considering a 7 for this course, we can accept you with a 5 because the school was closed down. How prepared would you be? So that is the reason you're having a test now on polynomials.
Now?
Yes, now.
Wow.
And that test will end by 1 p.m.
Wow.
Which means I will start in 2 minutes and you're going to have just 15 minutes to solve 4 questions. Wow.
Okay.
Like I said, don't stop yet. Like I said, this is to check your readiness. It's like fire drill. Fire drill is not, listen, nobody gets to know when there's fire drill, right?
Come on, guys, be positive.
Fire drill just happens. Please, let's be serious with this. Just happened. Should there be fire in the real sense? How prepared are you going to be? It's okay to do assignments. It's okay to sit down beside your classmates and solve questions together. What if you find yourself in a situation, you're applying to this college, you are not aware, and suddenly they tell you you're going to have to write an exam in Hong Kong in 2 days' time? Would that be an excuse that, oh, but you didn't tell me? Welcome to life. Nobody tells anybody something is going to happen. It just happens. Okay? So see this as a major lesson of life. If you are ready, put your table aside, close your book, and I'll hand you the paper, and you have 15 minutes. 50, 50.
We need calculator.
You can hold on to your calculator. In fact, I have the formula book too.
No, do we actually need it? Because I don't have.
I don't know.
Ask somebody.
Of course. Of course. You ready? Okay, so step away from everybody. Maybe you go back. Remember, we all finish at the same time. 48 more minutes. I'll stop it.
Will this be tested?
I don't know, but I'll leave it on the board.
Oh, okay.
And it's even in the formula booklet, so there's nothing to hide.
Oh, really? That one?
You're wasting time asking me questions.
This is horrible.
I know. Welcome to Horrible Me. Step aside to the last seat. Come here. Or you can sit here if you want. Okay. If you're ready, just tell me. You can kill me later, but it's okay. I got my Mr. Daniel right now. I know. I love you too. Ready? You ready? Of course. In IB, you're allowed to use calculator, so whether it's impromptu test or not, use calculator. Stop talking, Karen, the moment you get that paper. I need to get a tape to take him out.
No, she was asking if we were allowed to use pencil, but then we heard calculator.
Oh, pencil?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll allow you to. I'll allow you to use it for today. But remember, don't use it in the exam. It is not allowed. Don't put it on your laptop. It might damage something. What you're looking at on the board is in your formula booklet. That's why it doesn't matter if I erase the board or not. IB will provide it, so there's no point hiding it from you.